Eat 55 tips that can help you reduce belly fat.
10. Eat. I know it may seem like an unreasonable measure, but it isn't. Eating is important when you are trying to reduce your weight, including trying to lose that resistant belly fat. Breakfast is very important when you're dieting. Many people will skip breakfast in an effort to lose weight, but that's one of the worst things you can do. Research has proven that eating about an hour after you get up from the bed can keep your insulin levels steadier and aid in keeping your weight steadier. You don't want to eat a whole chicken and 2 dozen eggs, but the consumption of breakfast that is high in fiber and protein can really boost your body metabolism and help you reduce fat. It also makes more sense to eat 4 to 5 small meals a day than eat 1 or 2 large ones. Doing this, you give signal to your body that it is going to get constant fuel. If you don't, or if you eat at irregular times and in irregular amounts, your body won't know it is going to be continually refueled. Your body reasons it has to store the fat for future energy use. Usually, where does it store it? Right around the midsection? You defeat the purpose of trying to lose belly fat if you don't eat in the morning,